To transfer money from crypto.com to Revolut. So first thing you can do is sell your crypto for fiat. So open the crypto.com app, tap accounts to the crypto wallet, choose the crypto you want to sell like Bitcoin or Ethereum, then tap sell and select fiat wallet as the destination. Then just go ahead and complete the sale and your money will move into your fiat wallet in the app. Next is to set up the Revolut bank details. So open the Revolut app, tap account, add money, bank transfer, select your IBAN and other bank details, which Revolut should be giving you these. Then keep this information. Then the next is just go ahead to link your bank info on crypto.com. So in the crypto.com app or website, depending on what and where you're going to do it, just go ahead to the Fiat wallet, then tap transfer, withdraw Fiat, and add your Revolut bank account details. So use the IBAN and Swift code. And finally, just go ahead and withdraw the money. So in the Fiat wallet, tap transfer, withdraw, then the Fiat option, then enter the amount you want to send to Revolut and confirm the transaction. So the withdrawal usually takes 1 to 2 business days depending on your country and banking speed. Well, hopefully this video does help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.